So today in this video we are going to see all about the case expression syntax, what is case expression syntax and why is it used, and everything we are going to see all about the case expression syntax. So in the previous video we have shown all about the general case syntax. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe for such type of the videos. Okay, this is an similar to the case expression syntax, only just there is an somehow difference is that about here is an condition and here are the values. That is the type of the difference in the both the syntax. Okay, so we are going to see about the case expression syntax. Okay, so it is like case expression when value is equal to 1, then print result 1. When value is 2, then print result 2. When value is equal to 3, then print result n. Okay, so else and end with the syntax end. Okay, and just we will move through the MySQL, and here you can see that select student ID, student name, course ID. These three are the columns of the table. Okay, and here is the case when course ID which is equal to 101, then print as computer science. When course ID is equal to 102, then it as information technology. When course ID is equal to 103, print as data science. Else print as not enrolled, and end with course name from student table. Okay, and just we will select it and run it, and here you can see that there is a person of 101 course ID whose name is Vaibhav and course name is computer science, and here is the Ravi is the person who don't have the course ID, so the by default will be like not enrolled. So this was all about the case expression syntax. Okay, so if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.